Hey, today we're going to be making pork chops, potatoes, and carrots. Let's get started. So something I like to do is stab the pork chops. It puts holes in them so that the marinade gets in there a little better. And for marinade, we're using zesty Italian dressing. Alright, here we go. A trick my old roommate he told me about was using the bone-in chops because they got more flavor, and I completely agree. That's a big one. Look at that big boy. Ooh. Yucky. Alright. Now we pop open this zesty Italian. Oh. Don't you hate that? I'll just put a little bit in there. And make sure the air is pretty much all the way out. And then you shake it up. Now, as one of our side dishes, we're going to be chopping up some potatoes. Whoa, look at that. It just randomly appeared. Make sure you wash these bad boys. I like to cut them into quarters. Easy to eat. And ta-da! You've got your cut up potatoes. I just sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on them. Alright, and you get your pure sea salt. If you don't have this, then just don't bother making it. Some Italian seasoning. Again, if you don't have this, yeah, don't make them. It's not worth your time. And now we have some ranch seasoning. That'll be yummy. Let's see, how much do we use? How much do we use? Okay. Perfect. You guessed it. Mix them up, mix them up. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yep. If you could only smell these boys right now. You know what it needs? A little more oil. And a sprinkle of paprika. Mmm. Perfect. All right, now it's time to prep the carrots. All right, so now we've got our hot pans with some grease in them. We're gonna add our pork chops. That's what I like to hear. Delicioso.
Hey, Michael. How are you?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
Doing good.
My brain.
How's your day off been?
It's been unproductive, which it really shouldn't have been. But, you know how that goes.
Yeah.
Can I use some space in
Yes.
places?
Yes, you may. You say hi to the camera.
Oh. Hi. My bad.
You're good.
I don't know. Yeah. You guys want to hear a joke? What did 0 say to the 8?
What?
Nice belt.
So as you can see, we've been cooking these chops for a hot minute. Doing good. Woo. Nice and sizzling. We're getting.
I didn't feel much when I held Astrid, but I got a good feeling from Holly.
Mmm.